I'm Rosie Morrison. I am a fourth seat trainee currently in trade finance. On my international secondment, I went to Hong Kong and I did quite a variety of work. Although I was technically in the commodities department, I ended up doing some construction, some fraud, and some shipping work. During my international secondment, I enjoyed the level of responsibility I had at each level of the case. I was able to do the initial collecting of evidence that involved one-on-one meetings with clients. I was able to draft particulars of claim, and I was able to write correspondence with the other side. One of the most interesting cases I worked on in Hong Kong was a construction dispute. I was able to review the initial evidence, including the plans and photos of what was actually built, meet with the client and find out more information about their experiences, and then draft the defence and correspondence with the other side. Hong Kong's a really unique secondment. There's about 50 trainees from all different law firms out there, so you'll find a group of people who are interested in the same things as you are. We were doing hikes every weekend, there was a lot of brunches, rugby sevens, all kinds of activities that you can get involved in. My top tips if you're applying for HFW are to know what you're looking for in a firm, know what kind of size firm you want, know a little bit about our sectors and read around them as much as you can, and know a bit about our clients and the market they operate in.
My name's Henry Clack. I'm a fourth seat trainee in ship finance. Before my fourth seat, I was working in shipping litigation, and I've also done seats in commodities and contentious insurance. On my international secondment, I was sent to our office in Geneva for 6 months. The sort of work I was doing was a broad range of commodities and shipping litigation. A real highlight of my time out there was a Supreme Court case to do with the locus of debts under a letter of credit. What I really enjoyed during my time out there was working in a smaller office and being given more responsibility. I had a fantastic time living abroad. Living in Geneva was great, and I managed to spend most weekends up in the mountains skiing or hiking. My top tip for future applicants to HFW is to try and get some commercial awareness about the sectors we work in. In particular, I joined an organisation called the YMP, or Young Maritime Professionals, and that gave me a much better understanding of the sort of work that we do here.
My name is Gordon Reek, and my 3 seats to date in HFW have been in construction, a secondment abroad, and commodities litigation. I spent my international secondment in Dubai, where my time was largely split between the Energy and Resources corporate team and the ship finance team. The most enjoyable aspect of working in our Dubai offices was the smaller teams that we operated in and the extra level of responsibility that came with that. The weekly Tuesday evening five-a-side football that the firm enters was a particular highlight. The ability to live in Dubai and experience events such as evening iftars during Ramadan, dune surfing, camel riding, skydiving and beach parties really does make living in Dubai and working in Dubai a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. My top tips for those of you wanting to apply to HFW is to avoid generic answers. Take your time, research the firm, find out what sets us apart from other firms, and then tailor your answers to suit. And good luck.